Are you recording? All right, so here we have Carebears with Sharebear. Oh, Carebears, and this is Sharebear with Mega Space Molly from the Mega Collection. What does 400 plus 100 mean, cameraman?
Huh?
What does 400 times 100, plus 100 mean?
I guess the size.
Anyways,
Because there's
I
like
guess, wait. Oh, these are all the collaborations?
Uh-huh.
So, it's also from Pop Mart. And someone gifted this to me from Tesso Life in Carrollton. So if you want one of these, you can go and get it in Carrollton. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, this is how the box looks. Oh look, Care Bears in the back, Space Molly. If you didn't know, my name is Molly. Dang, bro, you already had to get on your knees. It's only been like, I haven't even opened it yet, you're already tired. Okay. Guess I gotta do this quick before my cameraman sits down. How much was this item? Total with taxes? Oh wait, you got a discount though, right?
$264 normal price. After taxes, like $280. With my discount, it was $254.
So the regular public can buy it at what?
Tesso.
At what price?
Oh, $264 plus taxes. You need something?
No.
Okay.
You can't see me, right?
No, just your hands.
I didn't put the AC, did I? Did I show you the top? No. We'll show the top and the bottom. So 3 stickers. Bottom. Can you see? Bottom.
Flipping.
Bottom.
There you go.
All right. We got.
I think that's the certification that the product's authentic.
We got an envelope. What do we have in the envelope? It says, look at my greasy hands. It says Mega Space Molly. And then Sharebear. I guess that means, I don't know what that is. But yeah, that was the first thing. And then it's facing y'all. It's not as big as the box. It's a little smaller. Right? No.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll have that as a background. And there's tape. More tape. Oh.
Do you help pause it?
Yeah. Action, we used the scissors. So, a little thingy fell out from the little Care Bear. I guess, a gun? Gun violence? We don't use that, so. Here we have the little one. Oh, so cool. Pew pew. My voice cracked. Not the chinando of the car in the background. Hey, look, her little boots move too. Oh, she has her the Carebear right here. Carebear. Okay. Oh, this is the big one. The big gun. So we got these scissors. Oh, this also says Molly, the little one. Can you tell the Molly and the small one? Okay, this is the big one. It says it on both sides. Doesn't open. Here we have a bunch of these lethal items. That don't know why it's there. So we'll cut this one. Oh, she's winking. Oh. She got the Obama hand. You know?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Don't cancel me. Oh, I thought her eyes moved. Oh, cool. This one doesn't make noise. Thought it was gonna light up. And the back. Oh, the back has Space Molly, and not the thing. Oh, it's a damaged product. There's a little. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Did I get a refund?
Mm-mm.
No, it's a damaged product, sir. Okay, I guess hey, you know, nobody's perfect. Even a almost $200 item that is certified. Glove come off? Nope. Okay, let's see. Cool. All right. That was the unboxing of the Care Bears and Share Bear Mega Space Molly. And we're